Here is somebody from my team who's a very good player, a very good performer, but he's not so good for the rest of my team. What do? Should I replace this person or should I train this person? Should I develop this person or should I drop this person? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to build a strategy to decide whether you should let go of a good employee or you should keep that employee, because sometimes the answer is not so straightforward. So two categories of mistakes that people make, okay? One category of leaders will say, let us keep working on them. Sunk cost. इतना time already invest करा इनकी training में, तो थोड़ा time और से, and they'll end up waiting for too long, and that can spoil the culture of your entire organization. Second category of mistake is when you act too fast. The moment you think this is not okay, it's not going right, you just decide to replace that person. या तो आप उसे दूसरे department में डाल देते हैं या आप उसे organization से ही निकाल देते हैं. Might not be the best strategy again. So what is the right strategy? What is the right answer? If I like somebody and I know this person is a good performer, how do I decide whether we should keep this person or not if he's having a bad impact on the rest of the team? So here are the set of 7 questions that I want you to think about. And this is no prescription, it is just an indication for you to see what comes up for you when you answer these questions. और इन answers के basis पे आप decide कर पाएंगे शायद कि मुझे ये employee retain करना है या इनको जाने देना है, replace करना है. So question number 1, are you losing other people by keeping this person? इनकी वजह से बाकी लोग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्विट कर रहे हैं. इज दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? इफ यस, देन यू हैव टू सी व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग लाइक दैट. इज दिस पर्सन क्वेश्चनिंग द कल्चर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? And then that's a bigger concern to look at. So what is the answer to this question? Question number 2, do you have a values problem, skill problem or will problem with this person? अगर values में disconnect है तो it is non-negotiable. You need to let this person go even if he's a rock star of your team. If you have a skill problem, you need to be a little more patient, provide the training so that this person can come up the curve. But if you have a will problem, that is a bigger problem. जब किसी की इच्छा ही नहीं है अच्छे से काम करना या अपनी परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव करना या बाकी लोगों को साथ लेके चलना, अगर वो willingness ही नहीं है, then you need to see, are there ways to inject that willingness in this person? If the answer is yes, then keep this person. If you think no, there is no willingness and I cannot do anything about it, then you'll have to let them go. The third question to answer is, does this person have the attitude to give credit to others or do they take all credit themselves? एक अच्छे लीडर की पहचान तब होती है जब कुछ गलत होता है, जब गलती होती है और जब उस गलती की वजह से वो दूसरे लोगों को अपनी टीम में ब्लेम करने लगे. That's not the leader you want to keep and that's not the culture that you want to create in your organization. So a good leader is somebody who looks outside the window when the credit has to be given for something right and looks into the mirror when anything goes wrong so that they can blame themselves and see how to improve and take that responsibility. And that brings me to the fourth question. Does this person look at his tasks as a job or a responsibility? It is a job for a teacher to be there from say 8 to 2 o'clock every day. It's her responsibility to make sure that children learn. It's a job for a doctor to perform surgery. It's their responsibility to make sure that the patient is healthy. You see the difference between the two? So is this person doing what he or she is doing as a job or as a responsibility? Question number 5. Has your confidence in this person gone up or down in the past 1 year? जैसे stocks up and down move होते हैं और वो movement के basis पे हम decide करते हैं कि हम इन stocks में invest करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, वैसे ही हमें अपने लोगों की performance देखकर decide करना चाहिए कि हमें अभी इधर invest करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. Question number 6. Do you have a bus problem or a seat problem, as Jim Collins calls it? Bus problem मतलब कि वो इंसान अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होना चाहिए. इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कल्चर के हिसाब से this person is a misfit. That is somebody being in the wrong bus. But you could be in the right bus in a wrong seat, which means maybe this person will perform really well if you don't give him or her a very big team. Maybe this person is better with 3 people reporting into him or her. Or maybe this person is an individual rock star and doesn't have to be the head of a department at the same time. Could be on a wrong seat, which means a wrong title, but might just be the right person for the organization. And the last question that you should answer is, how will you feel if this person walks up to you and quits tomorrow? If they voluntarily come and say, I want to put down my papers, how will you feel about it? If you will feel relieved, then you know that you should let this person go. But if you will feel disappointed, then you may want to invest some more time in training and developing this person. No matter what your decision is, it's important to remember that we need to be rigorous and not ruthless in this entire process. Rigor requires courage. Courage to have direct communication. It's a very bad idea to delegate this to somebody else. कि आप जाके उनको fire कीजिए. You need to have the courage to pass on the message which needs to be passed on. And do it with compassion, which means with a level of trust and respect that this person deserves to have from your side. Running an organization is about creating a balance between being attached and detached. We always need to keep the bigger picture in mind, and for that, we sometimes need to take a few tougher decisions. I hope this video helps you to design a strategy to know the right set of people you must have on your side of the table.